In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive or delete cards, lists, boards, and workspaces on Trello. Whether you're tidying up your workspace, keeping your projects organized, or just starting from scratch, knowing how to archive and delete is a crucial skill on Trello. Let's jump right in and get started. First things first, we'll begin with archiving a card. Once you're on your Trello board and have located the specific card you'd like to archive, click on the card to open it. This will bring up a detailed view of the card, where you'll find all its attached information and options. On the right hand side you'll see a button labelled Archive. Go ahead and click that. This action will move your card from the board itself into the archives, so that it doesn't clutter your primary workspace anymore. If you decide you want to permanently delete this card from your archives, locate the delete option that appears after archiving. Selecting this will remove the card completely from Trello. Remember, deleting is a permanent action, so make sure it's really what you want before proceeding. Next, let's move on to lists, because who doesn't want a clean board to look at? Navigate to the three dots that appear on the top right corner of your list to open the menu. The menu presents several options, and here you want to select Archive this list. This function temporarily removes the list from your board, but keeps it accessible in case you need it later. As with cards, you might decide to delete a list permanently. To do this, head over to the Archived Items section. You can get there by clicking the menu's three dots again and selecting Archived Items. Once in the archive area, you'll see an option that says Switch to Lists, and then identify the trash can icon next to the list you'd like to delete. Click it, and when prompted, select Delete. Again, remember that this action is final. Now, onto the boards. Sometimes a project is done and there's no need to keep the board around. To close a board, click on the three dots next to the board's name to open the options menu. Here, choose Close Board. Trello explains that closing a board archives it and keeps it hidden from your dashboard. If you're sure you want to proceed, click on Close. Remember, once a board is closed, it can't be accessed from your main workspace. If you decide later on that you really want to get rid of it completely, navigate to the Trello archives through Trello's search function to permanently delete the board, and that's it. You now know how to archive and delete your cards, lists, and boards on Trello. This knowledge not only helps keep your work environment tidy, but also ensures that you maintain focus on active projects. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing on Trello.